Ikuni be manye na yangini ye. Abatabi manye na yangini ye.
Afana, what of the thing we are seeing me by come now?
Uncle, as I was passing, I was hearing a strange sound.
Which strange? Which one be strange sound? As I may buy bread come, you see they hear strange.
Uncle, let's go back. I cannot
come, go there. See your head. If they send you message, you know they like go message. See your head. So to go message now, go they hard you. Simple message, only small message we are send you now. You don't they do strong head. They tell me say they fear somewhere. To tell where are they small like this? Only me they enter inside bush. They keep plenty animal. I go carry and come house. Go use and cook food. We go eat. Go ask my father wetin dem dey call me for village.
Wetin dem dey call you?
Then they call me Ogbeefi. Ogbeefi. Now me be Ogbeefi wey dey here for village. Now man go 10 people they kill. Only me they kill am. Go make go show me the place. Go buy bread for me. He dey here they tell me say he dey hear noise. We kind noise be that one.
Uncle wait. Uncle around here.
Around which place?
Around here.
Around where now? Wetin dey here now? Nothing dey here now.
Uncle, what is it?
Wait.
Uncle, what happened now? What happened?
Wait. You will see my action now. Take this one.
Fight.
Don't fight war before. Fire. Front. The front.
Why you let's stand in the front? Now why you let's stand in the front?
A strategy be this. If they hear voice for front, who's in for back, when they come from.
This is playing.
Alele.
You be mumu. Just wait. Years old man. Who's that? So who sent you Papa to go to my door? You are the one that went to everybody for here. You, not today be the first and the last that you come to this place. You, we're going. Who sent you?
Someone go.
You're the first and the last. Now you stop this mess. I give you warning.
Well done. Is this how you used to kill 10 people in your village? Ogbeefi. Better than kill all those mosquitoes that used to bite me in the night before I start killing 10 people.
Dioma, wait now. Big plant them on top of my leg. Help me.
What? Are you
Uncle, Jemarakpa Hemekago.
What is paining me?